Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, starting with the most merciful and greatest name of Almighty Allah, who is the master of this whole universe. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is me, Umar Farooq Sumro, teacher of English grammar, class 5 and 6. I hope all of you are fine, dear students. Now it is our lecture number 11 of English grammar or English language, and today we are going to read about subtype of pronoun, interrogative pronouns. Okay, in our previous lecture we read about demonstrative pronoun, and I must say that I am very disappointed by your result. Except 2 students, there was no any homework submitted of previous lecture. So try to submit your previous homework and then the homework of this lecture. So first of all, we are going to read about subtype of pronoun, interrogative pronouns. As all of you know that you have used in sentences positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence or interrogative negative sentence. So you know why interrogative or interrogative negative sentence is used. आप सबको ये मालूम है कि interrogative और interrogative negative sentence क्यों यूज़ किया जाता है. इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस हम जब भी यूज़ करते हैं तो यानी हम क्वेश्चन करते हैं. दैट्स वाई द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस विल बी दैट इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस आर यूज्ड फॉर आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस. कि इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस सवाल पूछने के काम आते हैं. Okay, the simple definition is defined and told to you. Now you have also remembered that definition that I am pointing out here. You have to memorize this definition that the interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions, and they are 5 in quantity. Number 1, what. Number 2, which. Number 3, who. Number 4, whose. And number 5, whom. Many of you read it whom, but I must tell you that it is not whom, it is whom. Letter W is silent in this word, so it would be whom. Okay, not whom. Okay, so interrogative pronouns or interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence defines a question in which a question is asked. Interrogative sentence जो भी होता है उसमें हमेशा क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. एंड इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस मीन्स such pronouns are used for asking questions are called interrogative pronouns. For your easiness, I have written here a simple definition of it. Interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. Very easy definition is delivered to you. Now you have to memorize this definition, okay? And also memorize these 5 examples of interrogative pronouns. There are no any other examples of interrogative pronouns. They are 5 in quantity. What, which, who, whose and whom. Okay, they are 5 in quantity and are used for asking questions. And another point, usage of interrogative pronouns in sentences. As I told you that interrogative pronouns are being used for asking questions, so the sentences would be interrogative sentence. Okay, because the word that is used or the pronoun that is used in the sentence is in interrogative, so the sentence would be interrogative sentence. Okay, so number 1 example is what. Okay, it is what. What meaning in Urdu is kya. What is your name. Okay, very easy definition and also very easy examples are delivered to you that you may understand it very clearly. So what is your name. So the word what asks a question. हम जब भी what से कोई भी जुमला स्टार्ट करते हैं the sentence would be in interrogative sentence. Okay, and number 2, which. Which means कौन सा या कौन सी. Okay, so which is my pen. मेरा पेन कौन सा है. मेरा पेन कौन सा है या मेरा कौन सा पेन है. Who means कौन. Who means कौन in Urdu. So who are these boys. ये लड़के कौन हैं. Okay, number 4, whose. Whose is that house. के वो घर किसका है. Dear students, listen again but very carefully that all these words that are defined as interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions only. So whenever such word like what, which, who, whose or whom will be used in a sentence, the case of sentence or type of sentence will be interrogative sentence. Okay, so whose is that house, वो घर किसका है. सो आप समझ सकते हैं कि जो भी मैं आपको इजी सेंटेंसेस बता रहा हूँ इन सब में सिर्फ और सिर्फ सवाल पूछा गया है. इसके अलावा क्या इसमें है कि ये आपका घर है, ये मेरा घर है, नहीं, इसमें होगा क्या ये मेरा घर है, क्या वो आपका घर है. सो द क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड, सवाल पूछा जाएगा, बिकॉज इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस आर यूज्ड फॉर आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस. नंबर 5, होम. होम डू यू वांट टू मीट, आप किससे मिलना चाहते हैं. Whom do you want to meet? Very easy subtype of pronoun it is, so you can understand it very easily. Okay, I am repeating the same meaning of this subtype of pronoun again, that interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions, and they are 5 in quantity: what, which, who, whose and whom. Okay, they are 5 in quantity and are used for asking questions. I have made some examples that you are watching on your screen, and very easy examples are delivered to you, so you can understand. Okay, dear students, this was your lecture number 11 of English grammar part 1, and now it is time for you to take your homework. So it is part number 2 of today's lecture, which is said as homework. So now what you have to do, I have written here some sentences in Urdu language, and these sentences are in present continuous tense. Helping verbs of this tense will be is, am, are, and fourth or ing form of main verb will be used. Okay, these are very simple and common examples of sentences in present continuous tense. You have to read them very carefully and submit your homework on your WhatsApp group. Students, allow me to end this lecture here. We will meet inshallah in upcoming lecture. Allah Hafiz.